Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make image slightly transparent in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to click New Slide drop down menu. Then create a blank slide. Then go to Insert menu and insert a rectangle shape like whole page. Now go to shape fill option and select a color. Now again go to insert menu and select a rectangle shape and insert this rectangle. Now go to shape fill drop down menu and click picture. Now click work offline and go to your picture file location. Now select a image and insert it. Now select this image and click this shape format option. Now click this shape format drop down menu. Then click this fill and line. Now increase this opacity. Now you can see I make image slightly transparent in Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.